Now it will be resolved. Now we have learned two indicators we used one indicator to identify the trend. We have used some indicators to predict future trends. But to predict the strength of the trend, there is an oscillator that only and only tells you this. It has no other function. It won't be bearish, it won't be bullish. It will just explain to you whether the trend is strong or weak. That's all. We call it ADX. ADX is an oscillator. What is its function? Just to predict the trend. By default, if it is above 20, the trend is strong. Between 20 to 40, below 20, the trend is weak. If above 40, a very strong trend means the price will be going up. In a strong trend, it will be above 20. If the price is going down, it will be above 20. If there is a strong trend, it means this indicator does not tell the trend. It does not tell the direction. It only tells you whether the current trend you are seeing is strong or not, whether it is strong. Is getting stronger or weaker. ADX is going up, meaning this trend strength. If ADX is going down, it means this trend is getting weak. Then the other thing to note is if it is touching the 50-60 level, ADX, meaning this trend is getting overbought. That is, the trend is extremely crowded. So it may be a point for reversal at extremes. So we always have to keep this in mind, follow its points and act on them. Rising ADX trend, strong trend, following ideas. ADX trend weak and below 20 is a weak trend. It is between 20 and 40. It is a healthy and strong trend. Above 40 is an extremely strong trend, but also an indication it is very strong. It may reach an extreme level, so better to take. So here is an example. You saw that the ADX period indicated that the market is in a range. Now in the base market trend, the ADX rose and reached 50. So what does it mean that there was an ADX breakout? So we made a profit of 400 pips. Similarly, in the next example, you can see ADX was below 20, market range. ADX crossed 20. The market came into a trend. We made a 300 pips profit. It went up to 50. So always keep in mind, the purpose of ADX is to help you gauge whether the trend is strong or weak. If it is below 20, most probably the market will remain in a range, sideways, or in consolidation. If ADX steps up to 20, you can expect that bigger moves might occur as the market moves strongly in one direction. So it can help you, as we discussed. All these things together have to help you increase your probability of winning, increase your percentage of winning. This is the job of all these indicators. Now, how do we use this? For breakout trading when there is a breakout of the price. Just as we discussed support and resistance, we need to keep an eye on ADX. Whether ADX is ascending, going up or coming down. Is the ADX above 20 or below? We need to combine the ADX with other indicators that tell us the direction. Right moving average, right MACD, right RSI stochastic, as it has no ability to indicate direction and just gives some idea of trend strength. Then when the ADX crosses 50, touches 50 and starts to drop. What does it mean that the trend has reached the extreme? It's better to get out now, take your profit and exit. So it helps you exit. It helps you to get confirmation for your breakout trade. It also helps you indicate how strong the bullish or bearish signal given by the indicator is, how much strength it has. So that is the job of ADX.